In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create your Hootsuite app. Today we are going to set up a simple app shortcut using your Chrome browser settings. This is helpful if you want Hootsuite to feel more like a dedicated app rather than just another website tab. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right area of your browser window where your user profile and account controls usually appear. You will be working near the icon that represents your Chrome account, not inside any Hootsuite page yet. This step matters because the option we need is located in the Chrome menu, tied to your account and browser controls. Next, hover over the three dots next to your Chrome account. Those three dots are typically the Chrome menu button. When you hover, a small menu should appear or expand. Take a moment to make sure you are hovering over the correct three-dot icon, because hovering over a similar button elsewhere can show a different menu. From this menu, you will access the option related to saving and sharing. Now click the three dots, and then hover over Save and Share. You may see Save and Share highlighted as a submenu. The reason you hover is that it usually reveals additional options without switching screens too quickly. Keep an eye on the drop-down. It should show a category for actions like casting, saving, or creating shortcuts. If your menu does not change right away, move your mouse slightly within the Save and Share area so it can expand properly. Once the Save and Share submenu is visible, look for the option that says Install Page as App. This is the key action in the process. When you see it, click it. At this point, Chrome will prepare to install a shortcut that behaves like an app for the current page. This is why it is important to be on the correct page you want to turn into an app, since Chrome bases the installation on what you have loaded. After you click Install Page as App, a prompt or installation window may appear. Depending on your browser settings, Chrome may confirm what the app will be called and where it will be installed. Take a brief moment to confirm you are installing the correct page. If you notice any option for the title or display name, verify it matches what you expect for your Hootsuite app. Then proceed with the installation by confirming the prompt. Chrome will download and set up the app shortcut. You might see a progress indicator, or the installation may complete fairly quickly. During this time, do not close the prompt. Just wait until Chrome finishes the process. This ensures the app is properly created and will launch correctly afterward. When the installation is done, you should be able to launch your new Hootsuite app from your app launcher or from the location Chrome uses for installed web apps. To test it, click to open the app. If everything was done correctly, it should load your Hootsuite interface in an app-style window. This makes it easier to return to Hootsuite without repeatedly navigating through tabs. Finally, take a moment to confirm your experience looks right. Make sure the app opens successfully and that you can access the features you need. If it does, then your setup is complete. If you ever want to create additional app shortcuts for other services, the same general flow applies. Open the menu, use Save and Share, and choose Install Page as App. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.